All right. Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new 1% live trading stream. As you guys know, we run these every single Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 9:30 or 9:45 in the morning. It is 9:57. It is May 28th. Welcome back, everybody, to a beautiful, beautiful day. Let's continue to keep showing up and keep getting our trades in. Today, we are taking a trade. We are in XAU USD longs. I grabbed some on my personal account as well as on the paper trading account so everybody could see it visually as well. The paper trading account is shown here on TradingView so everyone can see that. So beautiful, beautiful work. As far as that goes today, we are grabbing some longs. It is a Thursday. It is a continuation day. So that means on Thursdays, we look for price to continue the move it made on a Wednesday. Now on Wednesday, see, this is very interesting because on Wednesday, we did create an area of supply that broke structure to the downside. But we also understand Wednesday to be our reversal days. Now, coming into Thursday, into this morning, if we notice our structure from our higher time frames to our lower time frames, our 4 hour is bearish. We do have an area of supply. So if we want to look for a price to move to the downside, we would look for a price to what? Take out that supply before we continue down. So we'll look for a price to take out that high that is already one confluence on higher time frames. Coming into our lower time frames here, we can see on the hourly, very, very similar. Same exact situation, break instruction to the upside once on the H1, twice on the H1 again. So looking at a rally-based rally situation here, took a long based off of our 5 minute break of structure to the upside right here. We got price coming up, making a high, low, higher high right here on the lower time frames. That allowed us to take that trade on the lower time frames. I took this on the M1, stops below this low right here, as that is our most previous strong low. If it were to continue up from here, this would be the spot that we would want to do it. We wouldn't want to see it come below this low for it to make that move. So beautiful, beautiful move as far as this goes. Let's see how this pops out today. We have our take profit and our our stop loss set, as well as on the personal too. So welcome in, welcome in. Oh, no video, no video. Hold on. Recording is up. We should be good. I'll go over it one more time. My man Chris, what's going on, brother? How we doing today? Perfect, perfect. Recording was good the whole time, so you'll be able to see the beginning of the recording as well. All right, we're gonna see how this goes today. Should be a beautiful, beautiful move. Cards finally gaining some liquidity lately. I feel like a lot of people too are looking at this wanting to continue to the downside, right? The only interesting thing I've noticed about XAU is that if we are in these ranges to where we get a huge move to the downside or a huge move to the upside, in this case, if we wanted to see a huge move to the downside, us taking out these lows down here, I do believe it would have already happened, right? From us taking out some highs and then continuing to the downside, breaking structure to the downside and making that move. Um, because it has not happened yet, we've sort of created this range on the higher time frames, and that's a lot of this back and forth action to the upside and to the downside that we have seen here. So as far as that goes, I'm more so range focused as far as range trading. So more focused on what you see at the time of showing up, right? So if we are bearish on the higher time frames, we can still look for that trade to the downside. But if our lower time frames are showing the opposite of a push to the upside, we can look for that same exact thing. MGC, let me get that for you real quick. My MGC entry is 4460. Let me go ahead and put this down real quick. I'll type it. Your stop loss, that 4454, that M5 low. You could use the whole low if you want as well, 4451. Well, we might be getting stopped out here in a second anyway. That's the case. We have one more trade as far as risk goes, due to the fact I did not trade yesterday, but it still looks good personally. Let us see what she gives. If Thursday is that continuation to the downside and we are creating supply, we do break structure to the downside. We will have those available shorts. Still good for one more trade, like I said, after this today. So we'll be at the charts. And then your TP for MGC, it's that full high at 4505. I would definitely, if not in yet, give it a second though, because we just got stats. All good. We'll wait for one more trade here. Looking for a disapproval, most likely. All right, all right, all right. Let's go ahead and wait. I'm going to give it a little bit of structure here. If we do get that breaker structure below these lows, we can go ahead and take it. Most likely just below these ones here. But it could just be liquidating, making a breakup as well. I do like these shorts though, man. As far as shorts go, same exact thing in the opposite way. We've got our mitigation, liquidation. Here comes the creation with the breaker structure to the downside, moving in that 4-hour show of hand as well. I don't want to see what it does right here. Want to jump the gun just yet? We'll give it a second here. As the M1 could just be liquidating like it's doing right now. We'll watch and see if we do get this structure to where we break up and show this. And we'll look for that upside. If not, and we get that breaker structure to the downside, look for that breaker structure to the downside. Look for that entry on that lower high here. Either one of the two. M1 still looks clean here to me. M5 still technically bullish. No breaker structure to the downside. I still like longs. Kind of the same thing here. We got that double breaker structure on M3. And then a liquidation move here. M1 push above this high. I think we're back in. Yep, I like that push here. I'm going to go ahead and grab longs one more time. Same exact thing, except this time we're going to use this low as our stop loss. So, same exact thing here. Other market long. And this will be my last trade for today. This is a lower entry, pretty much same TP. Or it will be the same TP. Pretty much same stop loss. Let's set these up here. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful. 1/8. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And there it goes. Exactly what we needed to see on M1. Notice the timing of when I decided to get in, even though M1 wasn't showing there just yet. What was I looking at as far as behavior of candles goes, right? We were talking about this specific area as being very, very important. Now, this is important here. With this area being important as it being the deciding factor of breaking down or breaking up, all we look for is just the one or the other, right? In this case, all we did was just break up on M1. Yes, it wasn't a clean, oh, show of hand structure build, but all the behavior was here for us to take that long. So the behavior of us liquidating, breaking structure to the upside over and over, all of those things were there for us to take this long. And oh my goodness, we are flying. Wholly personal. I don't even want to show these numbers. Uh-uh. Let's go. $10 move already. Brother, 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 brother. No, my friend, my friend. No, my friend. No, my friend. Truthfully, truthfully, I don't see any reason why I would not go to TP. So yes, it may screw the R a little bit, but I don't see a reason why entry could not be taken out. Yeah, I don't see reason why not. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. It's all good, my friend. It's all good. That will mean nothing here soon. What do you believe, Chris? Do you know what it is that's bringing you to those points of those specific accounts, or like what's the difference you would say between those, between how you're trading with those accounts and the one that you have the buffer on? That's what I would look at as far as your mentality. Because yeah, we can say, oh, it is what it is, and on to the next. But I love to refine, man. I love to look at my mentality, look at my areas where I can always help myself, and say, well, what's the difference between these two, or where am I? How is my action different based on these accounts? Okay, I got you. Okay. So there's no difference in trading. Ah, okay. 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 That's all good, my friend. That's all good. That happens. That's life as well. So maybe it's just building a foundation. Yeah. Yeah. See, that's all it is. That's all it is. You're at where you need to be then. It's all good. So really it's just patience, timing. It's all coming together. Just showing up every day. Holy gold. The chart just glitched, but I think something crazy just happened. Hold on. Let's refresh. I think something stupid just happened. Brother, brother, what's happening? Something stupid just happened. What in the brother? Brother? What is hold on, bro, hold on, bro. Brother. Okay, I'm out. Personal, we're out. Personal, we're out. We've hit TP here. I'm out. We're out. Close position, close position, close position, close position, close position. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Brother. What the fuck just happened, dude? My shit hasn't even triggered on Trading View. It triggered on my personal though. Holy fuck, dude. These are numbers I've never seen, bro. I don't want to post it. Plus 5R. Holy shit. Holy shit. Brother, here too. Did you not grab my friend? All good, bro. All good, bro. I'll drop it for you, but I'll delete it after. I'll drop it for you, but I'll delete it after. I don't want to show these numbers. You know what I mean? Uh-uh. Hold on. Let me get the screenshot. I'll drop it for you, my boy. Here we go. Oh my goodness, my dude. Oh, he might be wrong. He might be right. He might be right. Yeah, just for you, brother. Just for you. Just for you, my friend. Oh, my friend. Oh my goodness. What did it take me out of Discord too? What happened? Ah yes. Ah yes. Ah yes, it did. Yeah, for you, bro. For you. We're deleting after. I don't like posting these things on the internet. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit. All right. We have to journal. Let's journal. Oh my goodness. Nice little 5 hour on the day. We will take that. We will take that all day, all day. Caught it on recording too. Very, very, very nice. I don't think there was any news. I didn't see any news. I mean, we can check, but nothing at 10:14. But he should have hopped in chat. Brother, where was he at? Holy shit. Twice. It's all good. Next time. I was gonna trade tomorrow, but I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm not gonna touch personal for a bit. This is something to note too. When you get these feelings, right? When euphoria comes, when it hits, 'cause you know how easy it is to just take that and say, you know what, I made that 40. That's not there yet. You know, it's not in the bank, so why not keep going? And then to lose it, very very simple. That's the dark side of trading that they do not tell you about. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You as well, brother. You as well. Always love the positivity, brother. Thanks for showing up. I will see you tomorrow, or not tomorrow. I will see you next week, brother. I will see you next week. Enjoy your weekend, man. Check out the flow guide once it pops out. We'll be here today. Yeah, gold for the win, man. Crazy stuff. Crazy, crazy stuff. Well, with that said, thanks to everybody who did show up today. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night. I'm gone.